Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. This is Miss T at ms.t is blessed. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. If you're new to my channel, thank you for stopping by. I hope you see something that you like. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and comment so we can chat about it. Tell me what you like about the video. Tell me what you would like to see. So this is Vlogmas. Happy Vlogmas to everyone. And today I'm going to share with you a quick DIY to make a wreath. So what caused me to really think of why to make a new wreath is because I went to the stores and just a basic wreath was $5. Not $5, $15 to $25. So I said I could make a basic wreath for like $5. But I made it cheaper than that. So what I first bought were these wreath forms from the Dollar Tree. So they're $1. So they have them in this round, basic shape. They have them in candy cane shape and snowman shape. So I bought some of the wreath forms. And then I bought this garland from Family Dollar. So this is 15 feet and it's $3. And you get 2 pieces in each pack. So we're going to make a wreath with this. And you can get your favorite garland. You can get white, red, whatever you like. You don't have to use any glue. You don't have to use any tape. All you have to do is wrap this garland. So I'm going to show you the wreath that I've already done. I'm just going to loosen it up some. I should have had it where I started. But of course I didn't. My channel always have bloopers. One day I'm going to do bloopers just for the channel. So this is what I did. So I'm going to take this apart so I can show you exactly what I did. I think opening this stuff up will probably take longer than to make the wreath itself. So all you basically do is take the garland and wrap it around a wreath form. And you can glue it, you can tape it, but you can just wrap it. So I'm going to show you that in 1 second, as soon as I get the paper off. So here we go. This is the end of the garland. This is the wreath form. Let me take this tag off. So you just take the first piece and just put it through just to start it. Just put it through the pieces of wire. Then you just take the garland and you just start wrapping around and around and around. And it doesn't take a long time. Then you can spread it out. You can make it tight. You can make it loose. And you just keep wrapping it. This would be a good DIY to do with children so that they can help out with the decor. And they can have something that say they made it. So you just keep wrapping and keep wrapping. And see how it looks so far? And that's just been a minute or so. So you just keep wrapping it until you go completely around. And this is what you come up with. And so you can add things onto it. You can add like a little, any kind of decor that you would put on your tree. Like little trees like this. Anything that you like, you can put on it. I even like these little plaques. You know, you can hang them from the center. That's probably my favorite. And I also have, this is just a plain flower from one of the picks from the Dollar Tree. And 2 balls that I glued together. And you can just put it on here. You can put it to the side. There's just a million things you can do with it. Just use your own creativity, the colors that you like, the accents that you like. And if you don't want to use the green garland on this one, I use the white and silver garland. And I put one of these ball sets on. I just glued them together. And you can put them all the way around. You can just put one at the top. And once again, you can add whatever else you would like to add to it. And just make it your own. So these are 2 quick, easy, cost-efficient wreaths that you can make. So to make these 2 wreaths, it costs $1, $2, $3, $5 to make 2 wreaths. So this is my DIY for today. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you use it and it'll save you some money because the wreaths are just too expensive. And you can make them your own, the colors that you like, the accents that you like. You can make it a family DIY. So this is Miss T once again. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please subscribe, give me a thumbs up, leave a comment. And once again, my name is Miss T. Please don't ever forget today is a gift. Enjoy your present and live your best life. Bye-bye. Have a blessed day.